Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons, we've been looking at the different uses of one of the verbs that means to be in Spanish, the verb ser. Here are the forms which you absolutely must memorize. There's really no way around that. We've had a lesson on each one of these bullet points here that describes a different use of the verb ser. In this lesson, we are going to look at this last one here. Ser, to express location or time of an event. So here's the deal. As a student of Spanish, or students of Spanish in general, are highly conditioned to use the verb estar when talking about the location. This is an exception to that rule. When you're talking about the location of a person or an object, we always use estar. However, to express the location of an event, we use the verb ser. Let's take a look at some examples. So a meeting is an event. So if I'm talking about the location of an event, I have to use the verb ser. So if I want to say the meeting is here, I would say La junta es aquí. Now that might sound funny to you because you're always conditioned with location to use estar, but remember this is an exception. We're talking about an event, so we use the verb ser. La junta es aquí. La junta es aquí. The meeting is in room 202. La junta es en el salón 202. Where's the class? Now a class is an event, so I have to use the verb ser. ¿Dónde es la clase? That might sound funny to you because you're always used to using the verb estar with ¿dónde? ¿Dónde está? Again, a class is an event, so it's an exception to the rule, so we use ser. ¿Dónde es la clase? ¿Dónde es la clase? Where's the party? Again, another event. ¿Dónde es la fiesta? ¿Dónde es la fiesta? The other part of the rule is we use the verb ser to talk about the time of an event. The meeting is at 2 o'clock. La junta es a las 2 de la tarde. The party is tomorrow. La fiesta es mañana. The time or the date. The party is at 7 p.m. La fiesta es a las 7 de la noche. The concert is at 3 p.m. El concierto es a las 3 de la tarde. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.